Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. So, this is my first video in YouTube, and warm welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to say the first information about the chemical reactions and what is their role and what are the types of chemical reactions. Everything we have to study in this video. So, now, uh, first let's get know what is the meaning of the chemical reaction. Chemical reactions involve the breaking and making of bonds between the atoms to produce new substances. So this is the main role of the chemical reactions. What are the types of chemical reactions? The first one is combination reactions, and second one is decomposition reaction, and third one is displacement reaction, and the fourth one is double displacement reaction. So move on. Let's talk about the combination reaction. So what is the meaning of the combination? Means combination means itself says together. And for example, let's know about the combination reaction and definition. It's important. When two or more reactants combine and to form in single substances is called combination reaction. So in this combination reaction, you know about what is the reactant. Reactants are the involved in the chemical reactions. No, for example, for the combination reaction is uh, calcium oxide. CaO, it stands for calcium oxide. When it reacts with water and to form a calcium hydroxide, it is also called slaked lime. Let's write about the calcium oxide. It is also called the slaked lime. Okay, slaked lime, or you can also call lime water. So it is very important to know about other names about the calcium oxide. And the calcium oxide, it is also called the quicklime. Okay, quicklime, it is also called the quicklime. You know, so here, when the calcium oxide reacts with water, so water to produce the calcium hydroxide, along with heat is released. So the major noticing of the combination reaction is two or more reactants, means two, one is reactant calcium oxide and another reactant is water. So they both combine to react each other to form the single product, that is calcium hydroxide, along with it is also released. So these type of chemical reaction also called exothermic reactions. Exothermic means the heat is released along with the formation of product. Here the product is calcium hydroxide or slaked lime or lime water. So heat is also released. So this is the example for the combination reaction. I hope you understood well. And move on. When the carbon reacts with oxygen to form the carbon dioxide, and the water, how the water is formed, H2 means hydrogen plus oxygen to form the water. So these are the other example for the combination reaction. So I hope you understood well. So the best way to remember the combination reaction is, this is X and Y, means one reactant or another reactant to form the single product, that is XY. So this is the best way to remember the combination reactions. Okay, I hope you understood well the combination reactions. And to move on the decomposition reaction, it is very important to know about the decomposition reaction. And decomposition reaction means a single substances decomposes to form a give uh, two or more new substances. Means decomposition means the word itself says means breakdown. Decomposition means breakdown. Okay, decomposition means breakdown. And so in this reaction, for example, you can say ferrous sulfate. FeSO4 stands for ferrous sulfate. When you have to it is also represent in triangle form. It is also heat, and heat is released. When ferrous sulfate heated to form the ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Same the calcium carbonate when it is also heated to form the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this is the single reactant. Single reactant, it breaks down when heated to form the two or more products like that ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. These are the products. Okay, and also here calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, it is all these are also called the products when the calcium carbonate is heated. So here you can see majorly the best way to remember is that the single reactant breaks down to form two or more products. Okay, this is the best way to represent. It is a notation, or it is an indication of the way to remember. And what are the types of decomposition reactions are exist? The first one is thermal decomposition reaction. What is the meaning thermal decomposition reaction? The decomposition reaction is carried out by heat. So decomposition reaction is carried out by heat. For example, the PbNO3 means lead nitride 12, and when heated, lead nitride it is heated to form the mm, lead iodide and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. So these are the products. So when uh, lead nitride is heated, means heat is the base, it is the energy requirement, it is the source of to break down the lead nitride. And again above the examples also, like the ferrous sulfate and the calcium carbonate, these are also heated to form their products and respectively their products. So these are examples also for thermal decomposition reaction. You can remember thermal decomposition reaction. And the photochemical decomposition reaction means, photo means light itself, the word itself says the photo means light. And here the decomposition reaction is carried out by sunlight. It is called photochemical decomposition reaction. So you can see, for example, silver chloride. When it is heated, when it's sunlight exposed to sunlight, to it breaks down silver and chlorine, and also silver bromide. It also same similarly. It when it is exposed to sunlight to form the to break down to form silver and bromide. Because you can also notice that these these two reactions, it is also used in black and white photography. I have to write it down. The black and white photography. Black and white photography, these above the reactions means uh, silver chloride and silver bromide are used. So these are called endothermic reaction because the reaction in which energy is absorbed are known as endothermic reaction, because the energy is in the form of heat and sunlight also. So this is example for it is explanation about the photochemical reaction. For the next video I will make about the electrolysis of water. And so I hope you understood well the concept about the chemical reactions and what is their types, what are their types, and with examples also. Please make ensure to subscribe my channel and like the channel and to share to someone else and to your friends, with your family, and who wants to know about the chemical reactions. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks. See you on next video.